Here, number 4, it says we are going to use the vertex and the coefficient to match up the equation of the graph. So let's get the A, H, and the K. So the A here is 2. It's positive, so that means it opens up. Here the vertex, H is equal to 1, K is equal to -2. So the point that we are looking for is 1, -2 for the vertex. Right, so let's use that information. This looks like it is 1, ooh, this, nope, that's not right. Oop, this looks like it's 1, -2. Anything else that's 1, -2? Oh, yep, this is, no, this is positive. And nope, it only looks like it's only this one, so it looks like that belongs right here, right? So that was A, okay? And then let's do the next one. A is equal to 1/2. It's positive. This is up, and it looks like it is very tall. No, not tall. It's actually 1/2, so it is very wide. H is equal to -1. K is equal to -2, so we know that the vertex, it is the point -1, -2. Let's see which one. This one has the vertex of 1, -2. And this also have the nope. This one has the vertex -1, -2. Right? So let's see which one that belongs to. Well, this is up and wide. Looks like it is more like the second one right here. Okay. Next, C. A is equal to -2. Ooh, this is both down because it's a negative, and that 2 means it is tall. The H here is 1, the K here it is 2, the vertex is going to be 1, 2. Let's see, this is 1, 2, this is also 1, 2. Oh, this is the only one that is down and tall. So C has to be this one. Let's now look at question D. A, it is 2. It's positive, so it is up, and it is a number 2, so it is tall. The H here is -1, and the K here it is 2. We know that the vertex, it is the point -1, 2. So which one has -1, 2? Nope. Let's see. Oh, this looks like this is -1, 2. And that does go up. So that is question D for that 5th one right here. Next, we have A equals to -2. So this is down because it is a negative. And that 2 means it's tall. H is equal to -1, K is equal to -2. The vertex here, it is the point -1, -2. Which one is that one? -1, -2. It goes down and it is tall. That looks like it is the last one. Here we have the last one, A equals to 2, which is opening upwards, and it is tall. H is equal to 1 and K is equal to a 2. So we know that the vertex here, it is going to be the point 1, 2. Looks like that is actually the first one that has the vertex of 1, 2, up and tall. So there you go.